Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start inside the YouTube app on your phone. You tap your profile icon in the top right corner to open account controls, then choose Settings and immediately open General. Once in General, find the option labeled Remind Me when it's time for bed. You do this now. It's the only built-in way to set a bedtime inside YouTube itself. Make sure you're signed into the account you want the reminders on so they apply correctly. Once you enable the bedtime reminder toggle, you will see fields to set the bedtime hour and pick which days it should repeat. You choose a specific time, say 10:30 p.m., and select weekdays, weekends, or a custom combination. Make sure to allow YouTube notification permissions if your device asks, because the reminder uses push notifications. You can also adjust how often the reminder shows before sleeping. To finish, confirm the bedtime entry is saved in General, and test it by temporarily setting a near-future time to trigger a real alert. This shows the system works. If you don't get a notification, make sure your device isn't silencing YouTube with Do Not Disturb and that YouTube notifications are enabled in system settings. If problems persist, sign out and back in or update the app. Those two fixes resolve most sync or permission hiccups quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.